Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Cypress Gardens local and long-distance movers near me. The most consistent local mover in Cypress Gardens is 3 Movers. Working with us is choosing a moving company that will make you comfortable throughout the relocation process as we shoulder all the heavy burdens of the move. You are the one with top priority as long as 3 Movers is concerned, and we show this in how they relate with you through the move. For local moving, you can get 3 Movers shipping containers to pack your belongings for relocation. You can also hire a team of efficient drivers for your truck. Local moves are billed per hour. 3 Movers provides an affordable moving rate suitable for the quality service rendered. For long-distance moves, unlike local moves, we charge with a price quote that is derived from taking an estimate of the rudiments of your move. The prices are honest and relatively affordable. We will help with the documentation of your belongings for the move if you are yet to have done that, and they will ensure that your long-distance relocation is seamless with no damage or loss of your belongings. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cypress Gardens moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.